Hi, my name's Barbara Nanshe. The pieces you see in this little video I am exhibiting in Romanian Jewellery Week in Bucharest from the 4th to the 8th of October 2023. So much of my work uses symbolism and explores materials as a footprint and as a marking of time. My jewellery promotes positive ritual and honouring of the self and the planet. As an environmentalist, I'm concerned with the sourcing of ethical materials to represent my themes and stories. I use 100% recycled sterling silver and gold in my collections. The striped Posca painted ceramic parts in this collection I picked up on the Thames River in London in 2016 and 2017. They have been bleached and cleaned but still retain some colouring of their past uses as one-use tobacco and opium pipes. Londoners inspired by goods coming in from the Orient in the late 1500s set up enterprises using the clay from the Thames as a way to make a living until around 1905. I was born into the wilds of Tasmania, and it's in my blood. As a young woman, I frequently escaped with the moon to the forest for days on end. The carved stone in this piece is Tasmanian serpentine. The larger pieces of amber used in this collection are also Tasmanian. Amber tells the story of millions of years ago when completely different animals roamed the world and sea plants walked onto the land and evolved into trees. Over time, catastrophic events changed the planet, and the lifeblood of trees was turned into resin, and wood was turned to stone. People realised they were just a small part of a bigger picture, so they invented rituals to make meaning of it all. And with ritual comes amulet and adornment. The patina I use on my pieces gives an old world feel, and in keeping with my reuse, salvage and recycled principles, I am using vintage Baltic amber and vintage stainless steel German watch bands. My sterling silver spiral clasps were developed more than 30 years ago as a symbol of interconnectedness and the constantly changing and evolving nature of the universe. Materials take me to the source, instill me with energy, images and memories that inspire and inform my ways of seeing wild places, cultural rituals, and the world at large.